Now I would explain how we can conserve and protect the wildlife and our forest resources in India. The conservation of forest and wildlife preserves the ecological diversity. This is very similar to the biodiversity, and it strengthens our life support systems. I'll give you an example. When we cut trees, it may lead to irregular rainfall or maybe no rainfall. It may lead to change in the climate, maybe global warming, which we may not be able to survive. And hence, we need to conserve the forest resources. We need to maintain a balance and not go to the extremes. Preserve the flora and preserve the fauna. For an example, the wild animals that we see, if they go extinct, the population of deers would increase enormously, and then there would be not enough green grass to eat that. You won't be able to control the population as there are no wild animals left. And with the large number of deers and not enough green grass, it would cause problems and the ecological system would break. Similarly, we have to maintain the balance of water, air, soil. We need to be observant and conserve. In India, we have a group of people, environmental activists, who have been protesting against the hunting and environmental damage. They have been lobbying for stronger laws, and due to which the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972 was enacted. The aim of this act to conserve and protect the wildlife and the forests, especially protect the remaining population of certain endangered species and try to increase their numbers by giving legal protection to their habitats, banning hunting, curbing deforestation, and so on. Later on, the central and many state governments have also established national parks and wildlife sanctuaries where the tourist can see these wild animals, probably elephants and other wild animals in such sanctuaries. Also, the central government has announced several projects for protecting specific animals which were gravely threatened by stopping the hunting and arresting the culprits. One of it is Project Tiger, which was launched in the year 1973 to save the endangered species of tiger in the country. By keeping a close watch, promoting the increase in numbers and restricting hunting. In 1980 and 1986, several hundred butterflies, moths of various colors and in beautiful wings, sitting on flowers, eating, etc., and beetles. Also, one kind of dragonfly. You must have seen a dragonfly, flies really fast. All of these have been added to the list of protected species. If anyone tries to harm one of these species, they can be arrested. It's written in the law. In 1991, for the first time, plants, including the medicinal plants and plants with health benefits, all these were also included in the list of protected species.